It was a really long time since I played with this little CNC machine. The plan was always to use the machine to upgrade the machine by itself. This machine has a lot of shortcomings though, and it will never really add up to anything more than a toy. I did manage to get a good deal on a project that someone else started but never finished. The gantry runs on 45mm linear rails, which is a big difference from the 12mm rails on the smaller machine. A lot of things missing on this machine. I have no electronics for the drive. I don't have any motors except for the gantry motor, which are lacking the driver to drive it. There won't be much that I can reuse from the old CNC machine. For starters, I will probably just reuse the spindle and the Mesa control card and the Raspberry Pi to host Linux CNC. The simplest solution will probably just be to order 3 new servo motors to drive everything. A ClearPath servo motor is cheaper than the driver to drive this big gantry motor.